No music. Thank you. No music.
Oh, just touched up my hair. This is what I'm working with. I don't need that much cut off. And I could go to professional, but you know, if I mess up, I just gotta wash my hair. I'm supposed to and then doing it on the back. I get my mom to do that and then then when it's time to do layers, I've been trying my best to keep my hair healthy this time. Last time I got my hair straightened in June, my ends definitely needed a trim. Now I've been trying to trim them at least like once a month, once every 2 months, do a dusting. So that was half a year ago. No, we're trying to retain length. Whenever I got it trimmed, it was like right here. Wish me luck. I'm going to part and I want to revisit his video just to make sure I'm doing things correctly. But we have just a few inches out. And he said not to do this on curly hair. Like if I wear my hair curly all the time, we don't straighten it too much anymore. I used to always wear it straight. But learning this method I think will be good. So I can do it more at home. The layer portion as well is what really caught my eye because I want more layers on my curly hair more. You know what I'm saying? Instead of so my mom did my parts. So it come on the back of my head. So this looks messed up. It's her fault. So okay, here we go. Music. My hair. I'm doing this right. Probably not. Oh, okay, the rubber band came off. How does it look? Oh, okay. So she did extra sections in the back. I'm scared to show them. If I mess up, I'm just gonna wash my hair. Curly hair has a look. Hold on, let's go show my mom. How does it look? Are you sure? It's not choppy? It looks better than before though? I didn't mind it before that. But does it look better? I feel like you're lying to me, but okay. So it's been over a week since I originally cut my hair. So my hair's been braided, put up in buns, all that. So it's not as straight as it was, as you can tell. So I did that on Thanksgiving and now it's like, yeah, it's been well over a week. It's December 10th today. I parted it the best that I could. I rewatched the video, how she parted it. So right now it's in 6 parts. He said go like about halfway up. So we're gonna do this. Wish me luck. And then after I do this later part, I'm not gonna show the final results until I wash my hair. I'm gonna make sure to pull it straight up and I'm gonna rubber band it. Okay, I feel like that looks a little bit better. So now I'm gonna go do the other sections and I'm gonna come back. All right, so I'm gonna do this side first. Is that right, Brad Mondo? I don't know if you'll ever see this. I hope you don't. Does you come at people's necks sometimes? I think I just messed up. I'm just going to comb this out to make sure I'm not missing any hairs. The back section. Ah! Okay, so now I'm gonna get this section. The other side. I'm glad you can't see what I'm doing. It's just hair. But the next time you see me, I'll have curly hair.
All right.
Boop. So this is what my hair looks like.
Oh my God! Wow!
So I realized I never really explained what I was doing. I mentioned it throughout the video. Basically, Brad Mondo, if you don't know who he is, I'll have his video in the description box. He came out with a way to cut your hair at home during quarantine, and it is made for people who have, I guess, straight hair. But I wanted to try it on my hair because, like I said, the layer portion is what caught my eye, and I've been needing a trim. I've always gone somewhere to get my hair trimmed. My mom's done it. Whenever I go to like the salon or wherever I go, usually sometimes I go to Supercuts, one of the places where like, yeah, they do a decent job. Doing it this way, I think I learned like a good method, safer, not so chippity choppity and a bald headed method of doing my hair at home, and it actually I think was good. I took pictures here what my hair looked like before. I basically just wanted a way of having some volume added to my hair without picking it out, basically. So imagine it when it's picked out. I don't know, my mom says she sees a difference, so there's a difference. I did end up cutting more than I did on video, probably like an extra inch or so, just so I can go ahead and get rid of any split ends, dead ends, before washing my hair, just so I could start fresh, you know? So that'll be the end of the year. We want to have a good 2021. Gotta cut all these dead ends off, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. The next video is gonna come out after Christmas, and I celebrate Christmas. No matter what you celebrate, I wish you a happy holidays and wish you a blessed 2021. We're gonna have a good year, you guys. And make sure you check the description box for any updates and things that are going on for my social medias and the video that I followed for this haircut. Yeah, what else was I gonna say? Okay, it's getting long now. So, bye. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Send this video to Brad Mondo. I don't think he'll ever see it, but if you know, if you